Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of the Logitech MX Master 2S and the newer MX Master 3S. First up, the MX Master 2S. This mouse has been a staple in the productivity space for a while now. It's got a comfortable ergonomic design that fits well in your hand, and the button layout is quite intuitive. There is a hidden gesture button also under the thumb. The clicks are a bit loud. The scroll wheel can rattle a bit. And overall, if you shake it around, it makes a bit of noise. Now let's move on to the MX Master 3S. The build quality is noticeably improved, giving it a more premium feel, and the clicks are also firmer and quieter. And the scroll wheel, while this one is a game changer. No more rattling, and switching between modes is silent thanks to the magnetic switch compared to a mechanical one. Now, speaking about ergonomics, the button layout on the 3S has been tweaked a bit. On the 2S, you move your thumb horizontally to access the buttons or the scroll wheel. On the 3S, it's a vertical movement. It might seem like a small change, but it significantly impacts muscle memory and workflow. For those used to the MX Master 2S, transitioning to the 3S can feel a bit weird initially. However, if you're new to the MX series, the 3S might actually be easier to adapt to. Also, if you like to keep your mouse clean, the MX Master 3 is better in that regard, because there are less seams that any dirt can accumulate into. And also, the scroll wheel is made out of metal, so it will not degrade over time. And also, one very common problem with the MX Master 2 series is the thumb button that can get stuck sometimes. I made a video about how to repair that. It's not that complicated, but on the MX Master 3S I haven't yet had that problem, so it seems like Logitech took some steps to prevent that. So which one should you go for? If you're upgrading from the MX Master 2S, you'll appreciate the improvements of the 3S, but there is a small little learning curve. But if you're new to the MX series, I can definitely recommend the 3S because overall there is a lot less rattling, and also it uses the Logitech Bolt ecosystem. But still, both are fantastic mice and you can't really go wrong with either of them. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments which mouse do you prefer. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.